Hello. Welcome to Hello Word Power. My name is Ruth. Today, we're learning words in English that begin with the letter Z. Capital Z, small z. The letter Z is the 26th and last letter of the English alphabet. Z is a consonant. Z makes the sound Z. Z. You try it. Z. That's correct. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Zebra. Zebra. You say it. Repeat. That's right, zebra. A zebra is a wild animal found in Africa. The zebra has black and white stripes. Zebra. Zero. Zero. You say it. Repeat. That's right, zero. Zero means the number or figure 0 that looks like this. It amounts to none. There are 0 apples on the table. 0. Zipper. Zipper. You say it. Repeat. Well done. Zipper. A zipper is a fastener for clothes or other objects. The jacket is closed by a zipper. Zipper. Zone. Zone. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Zone. A zone is an area that is separate from other areas and it is used for special purposes. Cars parked in that zone will be towed away. Zone. Zoo. Zoo. You say it. Repeat. That's right, zoo. A zoo is a place where animals are kept for people to see. The class of students is going to the zoo. Zoo. Zoom. 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 Now you say it. Zoom. Again, zoom. Yes, say it one more time. Zoom. Correct. Well done. Zoom has two meanings. Zoom means to move or travel very quickly. Let's zoom down the road on your new motorcycle. The airplane zooms across the sky. I will jump in my car and zoom over to your house. The word zoom is also used in photography. It means the change from a long shot to a close-up shot or a close-up shot to a long shot. The photographer likes to zoom in on your eyes as he is taking pictures. You will have to zoom out to fit all those people in the picture. Say it again. Zoom. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.